Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you here, pressure washing a house. And we're just going to show you the amazing power of pressure washer and how clean it can get siding. This siding here has been really neglected. As you can see, we have black mold basically growing on the house, and this is probably 10 years worth of stuff on the house, and we're going to just take it off here in a few minutes. So, as you can see here, we're using a turbo nozzle. We go over real nice and slow. It cleans real beautifully. We've been doing this for many years. We're actually going to get way up here on ladders, and we're going to clean up to the gutters, from the gutters down. We're just going to start down here on some of the really bad stuff to make sure we can get it off. But again, this is Absolutely Clean Window Washing, pressure washing a house in Zimmerman, Minnesota. If you'd like your house pressure washed, please give us a call at 612-919-4185, or you can find us on the web at Absolutely Clean Window Washing. Thanks for watching this video, folks, and I hope you have a beautiful day.